product Trickshot in InShot app. You just need to go to InShot app, go to Video, press to New, select a video. Now you need to create a video like you are. Now you need to take another video with green screen, tap PIP and fit into the screen. Adjust the screen size. Tap Cutout. Remove the green screen. And you are done with the video. Now you need to apply the same video once again by tapping on the PIP. The video which you have made for the product, just fit in the screen, the same video, and go to Cutout and tap on the chroma. Now you need to adjust the chroma. Here we are ready with the 3D product Trickshot. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.